This winter special 3-in-1 twister dessert is going viral. Gajar ka halwa, creamy rubbery and hot gulab jamun on top. You can't resist this. We tasted this and absolutely loved it. I swear it lived up to the hype. We also tried their chole bhature, which was so delicious. Vada pav, palak patta chaat, grilled vegetable cheese sandwich, pav bhaji, and dahi puri. Everything was packed with flavor and so satisfying. And here's the cherry on top. Everything on their a la carte menu is 20% off till January 1st. This is Gwalia with 3 branches in JLT, Al Nahda, and Karama. Until then, follow F360 Lifestyle for more such content.